Hi, welcome to Made by Bella. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Make Your Studio carriage. You're just going to cut the juice bottle in half. So after you're done, you just cut some holes through these the bottom corners, and then you put this X-El's through it, and then you put wheels on. But before you do that, you just want to decorate it with all different kinds of jewels to make it cute and pretty. I decided I also wanted to have a chair on it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the middle part of the bottle that we cut off and just cut it into the shape. And after you're done, you just hot glue it on for the seat. So then you're going to hot glue some beads on. Oh, and if you're doing this with hot glue gun, you should probably have your parents help you with it. So as you can see, I've completely covered my carriage in jewels. And so now I'm going to put a little chair inside the carriage for Cinderella. So you're going to take the other half of the middle of the bottle and you're going to put hot glue on the back and just stick it in the back of the carriage. Okay, so now that I've covered it in jewels and everything and put in Cinderella's little chair, you have the little holes, so you don't want to cover the holes with jewels. And you put your axles through the holes, like that. And then you're going to put your wheels on. So you put on the wheel, and then you put on these little things called hubs with the teeth facing out, so that the wheel may spin freely, because if you don't, these little teeth will block it from spinning. So I have a little Cinderella doll that I'm going to put into the chair. And that's how you make a princess carriage. Thank you for watching Made by Bella.